Guys, what's up guys? And then we are this other end, remember, it is still in Musoma. So guys, since morning we are just vlogging and we have a journey. We are just vlogging, and as you know we are hungry, we have to eat something, so we have to eat at this, we call it mgahawa but it is a hotel. So guys, I have to wash my hands here. Remember guys, it is still in Musoma here. So since morning guys, we are just vlogging, and then for now we are hungry, so we have to put something to the stomach guys. So this is the hotel that we went to put something on our stomachs. Yeah, this is a very beautiful hotel guys here, and we just listen here at the recipes or the menu. Kwema?
Tunaitisha hapa chakula mjomba.
Kuna chakula gani?
Ugali matumbo 2000. Na ugali dagaa ikujele.
Ndio hicho ndo chakula tu kilichopo. Samaki. So guys, here we are just listening to the menu. Yeah, we are just listening to the menu. Here there is ugali dagaa. Ugali dagaa, they are ugali full from that leg that we were showing you. Yeah, from the leg that we were showing you. So there is ugali nyama. I will show you how that ugali looks like when we are going to put it. Yeah, unaweza nani dagaa, tuone dagaa wale.
So kuna dagaa wengine sio wale wa bilioni moja kwa moja.
Mimi ndo nataka nione. Basi niwekee mimi ugali dagaa. Mama mimi ni mpenzi wa dagaa. Tuonyeshe dagaa vizuri. This are dagaa, ugali dagaa. People's family, this are ugali dagaa. So for me, I'm going to eat ugali dagaa.
Mimi nataka ni
ugali mweupe. Yeah, I want to eat ugali mwekundu, raw ugali. So guys, I've already pressed my order there, and I'm just waiting here for the ugali. Yeah, I'm just waiting here for the ugali. Yeah, I'm just waiting here for the ugali guys. So I've ordered the ugali dagaa, and this is the table that we are going to sit. This is the table that we are going to sit. Yeah, we are just waiting here for our menu guys. These are the local hotels here in Musoma. They are the local hotels here in Musoma guys. So we are just waiting for our menu, and then we'll put something to our stomach guys. They are just the local hotels here in Musoma. And can you give me drinking water?
Bro, am I mhudumu here?
So guys, this guy is very is very abusive. I'm asking for the water and he just refuses.
He's telling me I'm not abusing.
Okay guys, already my menu.
I give you a water and I'm not here mhudumu.
You are not a waiter.
I'm not a mhudumu.
Okay guys, already my menu has arrived safely. As you see here, my menu has arrived safely. So this is the ugali dagaa guys. Do you know ugali dagaa? This dagaa are very fresh from the leg. So guys, this is the ugali that I'm talking about, and it is specifically from maize wheat, and this is dagaa guys. So guys, here see guys, like in Kiswahili we say anakunja tongi. So guys, I'm going to eat them. Okay guys, you have to
let me
no. Just wait. I'm showing you them slowly. Okay guys? So you have to very sweet guys. Ugali dagaa. Very sweet guys. So guys, remember, if it is your first time watching this video or watching this amazing channel, Remember guys to subscribe there if you haven't. Watch my video, share, like and comment. Sweet comments always, positive comments. Tell me if I'm making amazing content guys. Yes, today I'm here at Musoma guys. I promised you to explore all over Tanzania. So here today I'm at Musoma guys. Remember it is the Rime vlogger guys. Like, comment and share and tell me if I'm making amazing content guys. I love you and may God bless you. It's not the end but we are continuing guys. So guys, we're back again guys. Yeah guys, yes, I am finishing here. And we are finishing here to eat ugali. This is our African food, of course.
Look at 255 here. Look at 255 here. Go and check me.
For sure, guys. Go support him. He's my brother, my friend, but he's curious. Okay, guys.
Why are you lying? Why are you lying?
We have finished eating our traditional African food. As you see, I'm just finishing here. And for now we are full. After eating ugali, so I have to drink some cold water. Yeah guys, this is an amazing.
They don't have money to buy water.
For sure guys.
Support this guy to have some money so that he can buy water. You don't have money.
My friend is very abusive for sure. My friend is very abusive.
Why are you telling your audience like I'm abusing you? We are brother. We need to joke to make some fun so that the audience can.
Yeah, I'm just telling. I'm
have a vibe, you know, guys.
Yeah, I'm just talking like that. I'm not serious, but it's just some jokes. Okay.
So you audience, don't think that I'm abusive. I'm not abusing this guy. He's my friend, so we need to make some jokes. So you know,
yeah, for sure. So guys, this is an amazing restaurant here, or an hotel here in Musoma.
If you are in Musoma, you can come.
You can come here and eat. For sure, we enjoyed the meal here. Ugali daga, guys. Very sweet. Very beverage, guys. Very sweet. If you are here in Musoma, you can come at this other end, and you can eat here, guys. So. For now, nisaidie glass. So guys, we really enjoyed here for sure. We really enjoyed the meal here because yeah, the meal for sure we really enjoyed. Ugali dagai, very delicious. They know how to cook for sure.
Okay.
And it is our African tradition here, guys. So for now, I'm drinking the water from this jug.
So guys, here as I can say, we have a beautiful small lady here. If
okay.
From Tanzania, if you want a sweet wife who can cook a good and sweet food, is here.
Okay, guys.
Just tell me. My number is on my bio. I can phone this lady so that can be
amazing
good
water.
Wife. So
okay.
guys, don't forget
to
subscribe
guys.
And watch.
Okay guys, here at this other end, I'm drinking the water guys, at this other end. Okay guys.
It's end. Oh, umekumbuka Gake?
Yeah, I remember my friend Gake. Gake is always talking like that.
A black American.
I always call him a black America. Okay guys, the water is very sweet and the water is very tasty. Yes, you can't imagine guys.
So guys, as I told you after eating,
okay guys, just drink a cold water after eating ugali and dagaa. Then madogo vipi? Hamjambo? Hamjaoga? Njoni kuone kidogo wewe dogo bora mzuri. Njoni kuone mara moja. Njoni kuone. Njoni salimie tu, njoni salimie tu. Njoni salimie tu. Yeah. Njoni salimie. Njoo gonge 5. Sura ifai. Nataka uniangushie uzito tu. Njoo gonge 5 tu. Njoo gonge 5. Unaogopa kabla? So guys, that kid is very amazing. I really enjoyed how he's behaving. So guys, really it is positive vibes. I have enjoyed and it is time for payment. For call. I really enjoyed. Sister, chakula kizuri sana. Chakula kizuri sana, tumeenjoy. So guys, nani anajua Kiingereza? Ndio anaongoza? Ndio anaweza kuongea Kiingereza? Sasa siaongee na sisi Wasauzi. Siaongee na sisi. Na wewe pia naona dogo pia na
ndio tupige story mara moja na wewe kidogo. Tutapewa Kiswahili kwani
Mwamba amekuja. Huyu hapa Mwamba. Njoo Mwamba. Njoo Mwamba tugonge story kidogo mwanangu. Njoo karibu tu usiogope. Unaona Mwamba amekuja? Mwamba vipi? Kwema. Uko poa? Umenisalimia kwanza. Umenisalimia kwanza shikamoo. Ngoja niitikie marhaba. So guys, shikamoo here in Tanzania it is a greeting. Marhaba. We answer it marhaba. Shikamoo marhaba. So guys, at this other end I met an amazing kid here. Dogo unaweza kuongea Kiingereza? Uwezi? Ako kanani kama. Okay guys, it is time for payment guys. So we ate 1,500 times 3. We are just 3 here of us. Me, Luka 255 and our young one, our brother here, there. Okay guys, it is time for payment. So this is 10,000 Tanzanian shillings. So it is time for payment. We are just paying for now. This is the payment. We are not paying all of it. Just calculate there 1,500 times 3. It is 4,500. And then we have to wait here a change. This is the money of Tanzania. Yeah, 10,000
USD.
No, this is 5 USD. 5 USD. This is the big currency in Tanzania. The big currency is 10,000.
The money we eat, it's only 2 USD.
Okay, I was just explaining the amount. This is the big currency in Tanzania. So we are just paying here.
5. This is 5. This 10,000.
Yeah, 10,000.
Which is in 5
USD.
5 USD.
Okay, we are just this is the payment that we are making here, okay? Here hapa pesa. Our sister is very ushatuandalia na change. Is very clever for sure. So guys, very clever. Sister unamkubali. Sasa alisema kama
500 let me show people.
Ngoja. Kama hajaolewa tunaleta ng'ombe. Kama hajaolewa tunaleta ng'ombe.
Mama ameolewa tunaleta ng'ombe kabisa. Shikamoo.
Mama
Yanga mlishinda jana. Lazima mtatungalia sana.
Mama.
Tumelipa mama, tumekula. Tumelipa kabisa.
So guys, this is the change. This is the change. It is 5,000 and 5,000. This is 5,000, 2,000, 2,000, 1,000, and this is 500. So this is the change that we already eat. Remember, I paid there 10,000, and I have already been paid my change. My change is 5,500, guys. So here we really enjoyed in this meal, our delicious African meal. We really enjoyed for sure. As you see, we have some vibes here, positive vibes, guys. Remember, it is in Musoma, still in Musoma. Yeah, we really enjoyed for sure, guys. And for now, it is the time to continue vlogging in the town there. So we really appreciate, guys. Stay tuned to this amazing channel so that you can vlog with me in this amazing series of Musoma, guys. I love you and may God bless you as you continue watching this vlog. I really appreciate. Thank you and be blessed. Thank you and be blessed. Here we go. Hello guys, and now it's a time to pray, guys. So I was just taking an wudu here so that to be clean, so that I can go to the masjid there to pray. Yes, I have already reached here, guys, so it has come the time to pray, guys. So I'm going to pray, and my friends are just watching me there, but I don't know if they have prayed already, but they can say something.
I can't say that.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam wa barakatuh.
Salama. Kwema.
Alhamdulillah.
Salam.
So for today I can't because of some.
He's hiding. So guys, it is time to pray, and then I'm heading to the masjid, and this is the masjid here in Musoma. Where I've arrived here. This is the masjid. It's very beautiful and luxury. If you want to know more about Islam, then you can comment there and ask me about Islam, and then I will instruct you or show you how amazing our deen is. So it's a very calmness and beautiful deen. Yeah, it is found in this beautiful street here. As you see, the street is very calm and cool. Yeah, of course. And then I'm entering to pray for now, guys. So if you have any question about our deen, our Islam deen, reach throughout me, then I will tell you more about our deen, guys. And it is the time of entering to the masjid, guys. Yeah. Yeah, guys, as you see, the masjid is very huge and calm. As I'm entering here, it is very calm, guys. So here it is very calm because it is the place to pray, guys. So I'm just going to this other end here so that I can pray, guys. So I'm just being here at this other end, guys. So stay tuned to this YouTube channel if you haven't. Then subscribe if you haven't for more and more and more. As you can see, the masjid is very big and used. Very good masjid. It is very neat and clean, guys. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe there. Like, comment and share, and then tell me if you are amazed about my vlogs, guys. I hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoy, guys, and I really appreciate your presence here. I really appreciate your love, your support. I really appreciate it much more, guys. I love you more and more. As I'm now here in the masjid, let me pray, and much more to come, guys. I love you. If you have any question concerning Islam, you can ask me and I will tell you what I know. Thanks and be blessed. So guys, and then we are here this other end, guys. This is I can say the spot, the major spot of Musoma here. As you see, guys, this is the major spot of Musoma. As we continue vlogging here, guys, this is the major spot. As you can see, there is a roundabout here. Yeah, there is a roundabout here, guys. So people are very busy. The road is busy. Yeah, of course, guys. Hope you enjoy viewing our Musoma city, guys. Hope you enjoy. Hope you enjoy viewing our Musoma city. And then turn. Yeah, of course, guys. So this is an highway, so we have to pass carefully. As you see, there is many cars are passing here, so you have to pass carefully, guys. Hope you enjoy, guys. That is a roundabout here. We can say the center of Musoma, guys. So you can see the sun there. It is, I think it is, let me see the time. Yeah, the time is 3:18. The time is 3:18, of course, for sure. So we continue with our journey of vlogging here all over Musoma. Hope I showed you guys many parts of Musoma, and hope you enjoyed, guys, for sure. I really love you guys. So for now, we are back here. Yeah, we're back here where we leave our motorbike, our motorcycle. So we are back to take it, and we have found it safely, guys. As you see, we found it safely, guys, and we are taking it now so that we can roam around the city, so that we can see the beauty of the city, guys. So I really appreciate. Yeah, thanks, guys. Stay tuned to view more vlogs about our city.